Friends, welcome in our online study of mathematics. Dear, today we will discuss about the mathematics of class 9th in which chapter polynomial and topic how to find the factor of a given polynomial. So dear, we have let consider that a polynomial of degree 3. Now we will find the factor of this polynomial with different method like that remainder theorem, and today we will understand a very easy method to find the factor of degree 3rd polynomial. So let us start. So dear, first of all we have to observe that the polynomial this polynomial is containing degree 3. If this polynomial containing degree 3, it means you cannot factorize this by the splitting of middle term method. You can apply here remainder theorem. Otherwise, a method which I want to tell you, this is very easy method and you can find the factor in short way and with great answer and without any mistake. So dear, we will start the solution, that is factor of this polynomial. So dear, first of all we will write first term same to same, that is x cube. Clear? After that we will observe what is the coefficient of this first term. So dear, coefficient of this first term is 1. So you will write here a next term with less degree of this term with the same coefficient, that is x square. Coefficient should same and degree less than the first term, that is x square. Okay. After that we observe the second term. Second term is 13x square. Clear? So 1x square is already present here. Now how much you write that you will get 13x square, that is 12x square. This step is clear because 12x square and 1x square, it is 13x square. Am I right? Okay. After that we will write with the same coefficient, that is 12. So you write here 12 and variable with one less degree from this previous term. So here is x square. You will write here only x because degree is 2. So less 1 from this degree, you will get x. So you will write 12x. After that you observe third term. Third term is 32x, but 12x is already present here. So you subtract this 12x from 32x. What you get? 32 minus 12 means 20. 20 and x. And finally last constant term you will write same to same. Clear this step? What is the step? Once again I want to tell you. First of all you write first term same to same. After that observe the coefficient of first term. Coefficient is 1, so you write with same coefficient of this term and a variable with a degree less than first term, less than 1. So this is x square. After that you observe the second term. Second term is 13x square and 1x square is already present. So 13 minus 1 means 12. You write 12x square. After that observe this coefficient of this term. So it is 12. You write same to same plus 12. Okay. After that 12x, you observe the third term. Third term is 32 and 12x is already present. So subtract this 12x from 32x. You will get 20x. On constant term you will write same to same. Okay dear. Now you take the common in these two terms. What is common? That is x square. Okay, right. X square is common. So dear, here is remaining is x and here is only 1 because x square is totally common. Now in the next term 12x is common. Clear? In this term you can observe 12x is common. So 12x you taken as common, then x is only remaining and this 12x totally common, so you will write is 1 is remainder there. Okay, in the last two term what is common? This is 20, so plus 20 is common. Again you will get x plus 1. Clear this step? Okay, moving for next step. In these three terms you observe what is common. X plus 1 is common, so you will write x plus 1 as taken common. Then the first term what is remainder? X square. In the second term what is remaining? 12x. And the third term what is remaining? 20. Am I correct? Okay. Now in the second bracket you have a quadratic equation, a quadratic polynomial. Now you factorize this by the splitting of middle term method. So you factorize 20, factor of 20, then by adding you will get 12. That is 10 to the 20. Am I correct? Yes, of course. So dear, you will write it as x square plus 10x plus 2x plus 20. Now what is common in the second bracket? Common in the first two term is only x. So this is x plus 10. X is remaining in the first term and 10 is remaining in the second term. And what is the common into the last two term? Only 2. So dear, you will get x plus 10 once again. Very nice. Now x plus 1 and x plus 10 is common once again in these two terms. So you take x plus 10 is common, you will get x plus 2 as a remaining. Now dear, you can write this into the ascending order like that, x plus 1 and then x plus 2 and after that x plus 10. So dear, this is the factor of this given polynomial by easy method without using remainder theorem. Okay, I think that concept is clear. If not clear, so let us see another example to clear this step. Let us dear a second question to find the factor by this easy method. How can you find here? Let us a example a polynomial x cube minus 3x square, okay, minus 9x minus 5. This is the polynomial. And you observe that this is the third degree polynomial, means you cannot factorize it by splitting of middle term method. So you use either remainder theorem or this simple method, easy trick. Okay, so how can you apply here easy trick? Once again you try to understand. This is very interesting and easy, and you can solve it by in short time and without any mistake also. So let us start. So dear, first of all you write first term same to same and observe the coefficient of this first term. Coefficient is 1. So you write 1 and the next degree term. So here is x cube. You subtract 1 in this cube that is 2. So you write x square, that is less than 1 degree from the first term. You will get x square. Now dear, you observe second term. Second term is 3x square. Okay, and 1x square is already present with positive sign. Okay, so what is remainder? That is minus 3x square and minus x square. What is the remainder? So minus 3 minus x square means minus 4x square. You will write here minus 4x square. Clear? After that 4x square, writing this 4x square, now you observe what is the coefficient of this term. Coefficient of this term is minus 4. So you write same to same minus 4. And degree less than this term, less than 1 only, less than 1 degree from this term. So here is x square, you will write here only x. Okay, now again after writing this term, you observe next third term. So here is minus 9x, and minus 9x and minus 4x are already present. What is the remainder? What is the remaining? Minus 9x and minus 4x. So you will get minus 9x minus plus 4x, means you will get minus 5x. Am I correct? Because the sign are opposite. In the case of opposite sign, you will subtract to each other and put the same sign which have the largest variable, largest number, but largest coefficient. So this is minus 5. So you write minus 5x same to same. Okay, and the last term is minus 5, coefficient is minus 5. So you write coefficient in this case same to same in all the question. Don't change the coefficient, constant term you cannot change, you write same to same. Okay, now you observe what is the common in first term, first two term, only x square. So remaining things is x plus 1, and the common in the next two term minus 4x. So remaining is what is? Remaining things is x plus 1 once again. And what is the common in last two term? This is minus 5. So minus 5 is common. So you will get remaining things is x plus 1. So now dear, you once again observe what is the common in these three terms. In these three terms, common are x plus 1. X plus 1 is common. Now remaining things in the first term is x square. In the second term is minus 4x. In the third term is minus 5. Okay. Now this is a quadratic polynomial and you can factorize this by the splitting of middle term method. So use the splitting of middle term method, x plus 1 and minus 5. 1 ja minus 5. You factorize minus 5, then you will get by subtraction 4. So you can write it x square minus 5x plus 1x minus 5. Clear? Minus 5 plus 1, that is minus 4. Okay. Now you take the common in first two term. What you get? If you take the common x in first two term, then you will get x minus 5. And in this last two term, what is common? Nothing? No, here is common 1. So you take 1 as common, you will get x minus 5 same to same. After that, once again you take the common in these two term only. So x plus 1 same to same, and here is x minus 5 is common. Remaining things in the first term is x and the second term is 1. So dear, you can write this into the ascending order. You will get what you get, x plus 1 and this is x plus 1 once again, and after that x minus 5. So this is the factor of the third degree polynomial, and this is your final answer. I think that the steps will be clear, and this is so easy tricks and so easy method to find the factor of third degree polynomial. So thank you dear seeing this video.